Hi everyone. Now we are going to see you are not your thoughts. I am repeating, you are not your thoughts. And one more thing, your thoughts are not yours, of course. Basically, I want to tell you how thoughts are there, where are there, how it's getting received by us. First, these thoughts are in and around us. How cell phone signals, how TV signals are there around us. When we switch to a particular channel number, we are getting the particular channel. When you dial to a particular number, we are connecting to a particular person. Likewise, these thoughts are around us and it is getting received by us. You may wonder then how it's getting received. Yes, I am going to tell. You see, to receive the thoughts from outside, our basic requirement is our self. I am, I, in Tamil, Nan. This is the basic self required to receive any thoughts. And I am going one step ahead. This self alone will not receive much thoughts. Suppose if I have I am, I, that thought, that alone will not receive much thought. That is, when you get enlightened state, you will not much thought except I am. Okay. So, along with this self, so many characters are getting involved. It is of course starts from our childhood. Those are I am brother, I am sister. Then when you grow up, I am husband, I am wife, I am son-in-law, I am brother-in-law, cousin. So many relationships are there. All are getting into ourself. Suppose when you talk to your father, you will talk from the self of a son. Of course, you won't create those things. It is getting automatically groomed. Along with that, our calling. When you call father, it is automatically implied in your mind as son. When you call your grandma, when you call your teacher, when you look at your wife, automatically the other self is getting emerged. So, when self it attached with the character, our thoughts are getting received. This is the receiver. How we are connecting a channel. If you press 1250, you are getting to one particular ZTV. Likewise, when you connect, yourself is attached to a character, automatically it's a connector. And not only that, how I said first, self alone will not get much thought. When self character attached also will not get much thought. Then where the next level goes is when self along with the character attaching to any emotion, automatically these thoughts are getting opened up like a flood. This is what happened to almost all human beings nowadays, because it becomes inevitable in our routine. That is, everybody is living every moment with these three things together. That is, I am with some character. It may be father, mother, wife, lover, friend, whatever may be, the character and some emotion. So, basically understand the thought, you are not these thoughts, and these thoughts are around us. We are used to receive it. The receiver is self, character attached with emotion. So, this is the basic things. Now, I want to explain these thoughts are not your thoughts, you are not your thoughts, both I said. To explain this, I will tell one small our life routine. Suppose in a family we are discussing what to cook today afternoon. You will surprise, you would have thought that today we will have vegetable biryani. By the time either your son or your father or grandfather, grandma, somebody would have uttering the same thing. Okay, today you will make vegetable biryani. Sometimes you would have faced this in your routine life. Even you would have wondered, hey, I thought they are telling. The same thing will happen among friends. We will plan for some tour means along friends. You will thought of something. They will be telling. Someone among your friends, you will tell the same place. You would have experienced this in your lifetime, or else also. Now hereafter you understood this, na? Just you see, even in any of the group discussion, even in the company, any of the group place, either family or friends among company people, you just think of one thing and just wait that someone in your team will utter the same. So this will make sure that the thoughts are not your thoughts, it's just flowing through you. To understand that only this one. Many times it happens, many families, one person used to think of one song or humming in his mind one song, the other family member or his friend will sing the song, love the same song. So this is just to understand that thoughts are not your thoughts, just it's flowing through you. Okay, so first we saw where the thoughts it's around us, how it's getting received through self attached to the character and the emotion. And now one more example I will tell. These thoughts are not your thoughts, it's getting received according to your emotion. For example, a husband, wife or friend, this is the right example, you can assume anything. If some misunderstanding, some fight, some angry happens, arises. So the one person who is in very much anger, he used to curse the opposite person and he used to think what are the mistakes he has done and suffering he has given. Everything he will get remember. All kind of thoughts will flow into his mind. And the beauty of anger is it cannot stay for longer. Some people it will stay for 5 minutes, some people 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, very rarely 1 month, some people months together, years. But I am sure that the anger definitely will go away, subsidize itself. So when you are in angry mood, you will get all kind of cursing, the opposite person mistake, everything you used to get remembrance. And the moment the angry goes away, automatically love's flow. Because after all they are your own friend or your own wife or husband. That time your thought also will change automatically. You will come to know lot of things, what are the good things he has done and all helps he has done. Even in the unfortunate time you gone through, that time the person who helped you, those things you used to have the remembrance. Automatically you feel, hey, why I thought very bad on that person, he is so nice, that incident happened. Even you yourself tell that incident is not that much to get angry, that much to curse. He also a human being, he used to get, but of course he is a very good person. Like that your thought will change. What I am trying to what I want you to understand in this thing is, the thoughts are not your thoughts, it's flowing through you according to your emotions. Of course, self attached to character and emotion. When emotion changes, the thought also change. Okay. I hope you understood these basic things. Now I will come to the point. Okay, this is fine. The thoughts are keep coming. From my birth till date, I have been with these thoughts. It's keep coming. Even in my dream, it's coming. So what is to be done? It's very simple. All you have to see is just see and watch your thought. Yeah, it's very simple. I am challenging you. If you calmly sit and see, watch your thought at least 15 to 30 minutes, you will surprise that your thought will get subsidized. The speed of the thought, the way it's coming, all will slowly, gradually will. How we switch off your fan, we can see the fan rings, how many, the rakkan solluvaanga, how many are there, that we can see. Like thought will slow, it will slow down. You can see how it enters, that much you can see. Because of what is coming in, that emotion you can see, that self you can see. All you have to do is just see yourself 15 to 30 minutes a day. Very simple. You no need to go into dhyana posture, you no need to some special puja, nothing. Just you be as you are, comfortable, make yourself sit in sofa or lay down in bed. Just you calmly close your eyes and be with your mind. I am again telling you, do this, you will surprise that your mind, your thought level will come down. Please try to see this, watch your thoughts, and I will meet up in the next video. Any doubt or clarification, please write it in the comment. Definitely I will answer. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.